DSer Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of DSer Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. DSer is a powerful dropshipping automation tool designed to help e-commerce store owners streamline their order fulfillment and product sourcing processes. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking to scale your operations, DSer is built to simplify key aspects of running your store, from importing products to managing inventory and processing orders efficiently. One of the standout features of DSer is its seamless product import functionality. You can easily import a wide range of products from suppliers on AliExpress and other platforms, complete with images, descriptions, and pricing, saving you time on manual uploads. It integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, allowing for easy synchronization of products, orders, and inventory. This means you can manage everything from one centralized dashboard, which is especially helpful when handling multiple products or suppliers. Another notable feature is its order automation. Once an order is placed, DSer can automatically process it, send it to the supplier, and update the tracking information, reducing manual work and the risk of errors. The platform also offers bulk order processing, which speeds up the fulfillment process for those with high sales volume. Additionally, DSer provides real-time tracking updates to your customers, enhancing the overall shopping experience and reducing inquiries. DSer is ideal for both beginner and advanced dropshippers who want to streamline their operations. It's especially useful for sellers who rely on AliExpress or other similar suppliers for their product catalog and need a way to automate time-consuming tasks. In terms of strengths, DSer is highly automated, user-friendly, and integrates well with popular platforms. However, its weaknesses include a dependency on AliExpress for sourcing, which may limit your product selection and pricing options, as well as occasional delays in processing times when dealing with high-demand products. In conclusion, DSer Dropshipping is a solid tool for automating and simplifying the dropshipping process. While it may have some limitations in terms of supplier options, its overall efficiency and ease of use make it a great choice for entrepreneurs looking to scale their business with minimal effort. Check the description for more details and to get started.